Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are diving into the captivating world of a girl with a cap. Join us on a journey of creativity and imagination as we explore the unique perspectives and artistic expression inspired by this iconic accessory. From vibrant paintings to intricate sketches, we will uncover the endless possibilities of portraying a girl and her cap. Let's embark on this artistic journey together and discover the beauty in every brushstroke. Your go to destination for inspiring drawing tutorials. In today's session, we will focus on capturing the essence of a girl with a cap through step by step guidance and creative tips. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist, join us as we break down the process from sketching the basic outline to adding depth and detail. Let's unleash our creativity and bring this character to life on paper. Get your pencils ready and let the artistic adventure begin. Step into the world of artistic expression with Rosie's drawing tutorial. In this special episode, we will embark on a creative journey exploring the captivating persona of a girl with a cap. Follow along as we dive into the intricacies of sketching her features, capturing the flow of fabric, and infusing personality into every stroke. Whether you are sketching for fun or honing your skills, join us for an immersive experience where imagination knows no bounds. Let's embark on this artistic adventure together and discover the magic of drawing. Until then, keep watching, keep creating, and keep exploring. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And thank you very much, my dear viewers. Stay blessed.